All right, so we got Mr. Blevins' bike all done. It's right here. We're about to give you a little audio demo of this bike. But first, let's flip you around and give you a little walk around of what's all done on this bike. And then we'll play a couple of songs, and then he's coming here to pick it up. So this is just a basic 4-speaker system. So we've got our cicadas in the fairing, which is our go-to in the fairing here. And then this customer had already provided his own 8-inch lids with the DS188s. As far as the rear is concerned, we did our typical wiring here with the quick disconnect bulkheads. We spent some time and modified these lids and tried to get them the best, or fit the best that we could. We got our 2 clicks on them. They look pretty good. So now let's give you a couple of songs and then we'll speak with the customer now and pick it up. We got Mr. Blevins here. We just finished up his beautiful base model here. It's the one that they did a super sick paint job on to make it look like the Elites. I really like it, but that's not what we're here for. So what'd you think of the system and the overall job?
Oh, the overall job looks outstanding. I can't find no flaws in it at all. It looks good and it sounds even better.
That's what we shoot for. And like I said, I can't ever thank our customers enough that have made the trip. Y'all came from Georgia.
Yeah, just outside Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Okay, yeah, so that's a truck. So I can never thank our customers enough for making the trip. I'm glad we were able to get this Challenger set up. We even had to do some extra work on the lids to get them to seal up, but I think we got that as well. So again, Mr. Chuck, I can't thank you enough.
Yes, sir.
And hopefully we get to see each other out there riding and actually go do some riding. So he's going to go enjoy Panama City for the rest of the weekend and get back on the road to get home for the holidays. So again, thank you very much, sir.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Yes, sir.